In this video, we'll discuss combining like terms. But first, let's review some terminology. Here we have a monomial, which is a polynomial that has a single term. The degree of this monomial is the size of the exponent. So in this case, the degree is 6. The base of the exponent is x, and -5 is called the coefficient. We can recognize like terms because they have the same variables raised to the same exponents. In the following example, we're supposed to identify which pairs constitute like terms. In part A, we have x to the second power and another x to the second power. It doesn't matter what the coefficients are, so it doesn't matter that we have a 3 and a -5 halves. All that matters is that we have the same variable, x, and it's raised to the same power of 2. So these are like terms. In part B, both of the terms have x and y as the variables. However, the power on x in the first term is 2,
whereas the power on x in the second term is 1.
Since they don't match, these are not like terms. In part C, we only have one variable, x, and it's raised to the 1/2 power since we have the square root in both cases. Since we have the same variable raised to the same powers, these are like terms. In part D, we have the same three variables, x, y, and z, and even though they're written in different orders, each of the variables is raised to the same power in each of the two terms, so we have like terms here as well.